All right, it's February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. We just had another, I don't know, 10 inches or so. We just finished digging out. The girls are at Savers, if you can believe that. And look at that action. We did spray paint the snow. Yes, we did. So this is 10, 11 inches of snow. This is a Sunday. Church was canceled. We had 4 or 5 inches on Wednesday. We had last weekend, I think it was Saturday, we had I'm going to say 14 inches. Then the Wednesday before that, I think we had 6 or 7 inches. And then the weekend before that was the blizzard of 2015, where we got about 20, 21, 22 inches. Look at the trampoline. Look at that. That bar that holds the trampoline is usually like 3 feet off the ground. So, it's pretty crazy.
That zoom though.
Huh?
Quite a nice zoom you have.
Why, thank you. So, that's the story. A little bit of a snow pile. Look at that thing. It's crazy. This has been quite a winter. Look at the front of the house. Oh, it's going to be -10 tonight, or -12, with a wind chill of -30.
-8.
Yeah, if you keep your door open. There's the front of the house. I got up on the roof last Wednesday and shoveled off the back half, the flat roof. But it's quite a lot of snow. Look at this hanging pot thing here. Remember this in the spring. Granted, we've been shoveling up here and snow blowing, but it's quite a lot of snow. There you have it.